to show you how to check the spellings with the sentence card. This is a sentence card. The child is supposed to read the card. I like to play outside. Once again, I like to play outside. Now, we will turn over the card and child is supposed to write. I like to play outside. Now, with the help of the directress, child will see if he or she has written right or wrong. I like to play outside. Well done. Now let's move to the another sentence. My favorite color is red. Once again. Favorite, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Favorite color is red. So now the child is supposed to write. Turn the sheet and supposed to write. My favorite color is red. Now, with the help of the directress, the child will see that he or she has written right or wrong. My favorite, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Color is red. Well done. It's right.